Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to put your license plate in your license plate cover for the rear. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to just put in your license plate into your rear cover. If you can't figure out how to do that, I've actually seen some threads online where people were having issues trying to do that, or they've mounted it incorrectly where basically they put the license plate on the back like this, and then the license plate is actually touching your paint, which is not good because that's going to scratch up your paint. So basically, if you try and put it in, just like this, it's not really going to work because the tabs here are so long. So you can't just kind of put it in here like this and try and shove it in there. It's not going to fit. So what you could do, which is probably not, well, I don't think it's the correct way, but it's a way that will work, is if you put the bottom part of the license plate in the bottom piece first, you could bend the top tabs back a little bit and get it into place. But the easiest way to do this is if you just turn the cover sideways, you can actually slide the plate in. So you can just slide it right into place, just like that. And there you go. Then your license plate is correctly in your cover. And then of course you've got the 4 bolts to mount to the paint on the back trunk. And that's basically it. So if you thought this video was helpful, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.